Hi guys, I'm Shalini and today I'm going to show you some simple hassle-free monsoon hairstyles because as you already know, the monsoon can bring with it some seriously bad hair days. Keep watching as I show you how to take your hair from drab to fab this rainy season. And if you're new to the Bebeautiful channel, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. Take a low ponytail and secure it with a rubber band. Part your hair right in the center of your ponytail. Now stick your thumb and index finger in the center. Flip the ponytail and pull through. Repeat one more time. Stick all the loose hair strands into the bun with U-pins. Add a hair accessory right in the center of it to glam it up. With that, our first hairstyle is done. Take hair from your ears till the top of the head. Take your hair through the rubber band once. And for the second twist, only pull through halfway. Wrap the left over hair around the base. Secure it with U-pins. Add a bow rubber band to style it up. And the second hairstyle is done as well. Take a side parting and pull out a thick section. Split that into 3 sections and start doing a 3-strand braid. Make sure that the braid is turning towards the back. Pull the braid to loosen it up. Take the rest of the hair into a low ponytail and secure it with a rubber band. Add a scarf rubber band to make the hairstyle look super cute. And with this, the third hairstyle is done too. I hope you like these hairstyles. They are super easy and monsoon friendly, so you definitely should give them a go. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bebeautiful.